Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a splotchy fade transition in Video Star. Alright, so to begin with, press on New, press on Mix, and then there are a lot of different options, so press on this little triangle right here in the corner and make sure that you're on Shape Shifting Transitions. Now scroll over until you find Burns. Now press on this number 1 right here and then press on it again and then import the clip that you want to have the fade transition start in. Now press 2 and then import the other clip. For me, I just want it to fade out, so I'm going to use the color black. But if you want it to be a transition, you can add your next clip. Now, if you press this arrow right here, you can change the style, and then if you press on this button, you can change how fast the transition goes. It only gives you a slight preview, so it doesn't show the full thing, so don't worry if it doesn't show you the full outcome. Alright, so press Mix Clips, and then preview it if you'd like. Press Done. And that's it, guys. I hope you all found this tutorial helpful. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see y'all next week. Bye!